This is a Yuan Dynasty building, 700 years old. That Mingyingwang Hall. Gonna see the best Chinese Yuan Dynasty wall painting. 哎呀，这个规模。The local magistrate is on his knees in front of the Mingyingwang, handing in the petition for rain. This is the Chinese officials joining in games of golf and chess after petitions related to begging, because the ball in Chinese is qiu, is same pronunciation with begging, and praying, qi, also chess. This one depicts the releasing of the rain, represented by a male attendant acquiring fish, which is also yu, rain in Chinese, and furthered by the rain shower depicted above the audience of Prince Mingyingwang, and released by an interesting group of deities forming the thunder department. The final part is the theater troupe. The water god's name, Mingyingwang, and his court ministers. The wall painting on the exterior wall. It's beautiful, 700 years old. Some inscriptions from different dynasties. One wood log. Massive. This old one, look how big, how long it is. It's like 15 meters, I guess, even 20 meters long. 700 years old, Yuan Dynasty stone lions. Under is a pillow.